There are multiple fetal measurements available on Vscan Air. Tap on the OB preset. Freeze or recall a stored image. For demonstration purposes, we will be measuring on a blank screen. Tap on the Measurements Annotations icon. Fetal measurements available on Vscan Air to assess fetal size include biparietal diameter, or BPD, head circumference, or HC, abdominal circumference, or AC, and femur length, or FL. Swipe up to access crown rump length, or CRL. Swipe down to get back to the first measurement options. Simply move the calipers to take your measurement and tap the Store icon. The measurements will turn yellow once stored. Let's start with BPD. Next, let's do HC. And again, you confirm your caliper placements by storing the image. After having done similarly for AC and FL, you can find your consolidated measurements and resulting GA estimations in the worksheet. Simply tap on the worksheet icon to view your full worksheet and tap Save. Let's look at tools for assessing amniotic fluid volume. An amniotic fluid index measurement, or AFI, is the sum of the deepest depth of amniotic fluid in each quadrant of the ultrasound image. Also available to assess amniotic fluid is the deepest vertical pocket, or DVP. Tap on DVP in the menu, make a distance measurement, and tap Store. Simply tap on the worksheet icon to view your full worksheet with the information you've just collected. In your OB Measurements menu, you'll also see AOP, Angle of Progression, provides a parameter for assessment of fetal head descent when you measure the angle between the long axis of the pubic bone and a line from the lowest edge of the pubis drawn tangential to the deepest bony part of the fetal skull. Calculate the estimated fetal weight with a combination of any of these measurements. Let's take a BPD and AC measurement. Select BPD, take your measurement, then Store. Move to AC, take your measurement, and Store. Tap on the OB report icon. The worksheet displays the EFW as well as the measurements. Tap on Save to store the worksheet. Exit by tapping on the X in the top right corner or tap Cancel.